Do you get dysregulated easily? Do you lose energy and get fatigued, or you get even hyperactive and ungrounded and out of your body? I want to show you 3 shamanic techniques that will help you to unplug from the world, that will help you to find peace during this time of incredible transition and highlight coming into planet Earth. Number 1, attend. Do not attach. Have a little space and a little witnessing presence between yourself and worldly events and all your interactions with others. Number 2, learn how to unplug the world matrix energy from your light body and your auric field. And number 3, strengthen your energy field. Do practices daily to incorporate and breathe light into your energy field in order to empower and strengthen your sovereignty of your light body, also called your aura, and your own space. This will help you begin unplugging from the world matrix. I invite you to join me in my monthly subscription. It's super affordable. You can cancel at any time to my body of work called Integrating Infinity. And you can find that on my website, isalaramarie.com. And you can see the link in the comments for more information on this. And until then, sending you much love and peace.